seeing these gimps, these people using an impregnated strip of survival specialist savage Spartan paper, whatever they call it, dragon paper, they call it different things. Essentially, all this is greaseproof paper they get for baking, soaked in petroleum spirit. That's all it is. It's just basically a big slow burning wick. That's all it is. It doesn't start any faster than kindling or fluff, and apparently they're quite expensive. If you want to bring yourself something extra to help get a fire going, get yourself a little tub of Vaseline. Or if you don't want to go for the brand name, get yourself a tub of petroleum jelly. You get it in your medical section of a supermarket. You're probably talking £1 or £2 for a good sized tub. And this is a gel that you put on like nappy rash to lubricate things. Bikers generally have it. Okay, the Harley Davidson riders have it for different things, but other bikers have it put around the threads of bolts before you put them on a bike, because it helps to stop them seizing up when you try and take them off. But also it's really good for burning, because it's basically a petroleum jelly. Think Vicks Vapor Rub, very similar to that. You get a blob of that, you rub it on something, you get a spark on it, and it'll burn. It is petroleum jelly. Gasoline jelly. So you can do that. Carry a little tub with you. Two of the things I would carry in a grab bag. One would be a really small sort of, oh look, I got a shot glass. Basically a quarter of a shot glass full, maybe 5 mil, maybe 10 mil container of Sudocrem, and another 10 mil container of Vaseline, just for emergencies. So if you want to have like a little extra goop to help start your fires, that is something you can always carry with you. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and it makes a big difference, as does the Sudocrem.